Today, we're exploring how to add a simple calculation to your RTM report. Specifically, we'll focus on calculating the unit price after applying a discount. In SQL, there are 5 key data types you'll use frequently. First is string. String is used for text data, such as the description field in an invoice. Boolean is a data type that holds either true or false, often represented as a checkbox or tick box. Integer is used for whole numbers without decimal points, like the quantity of items sold. Date, as the name suggests, is used for storing date values. Finally, double is used for numbers with decimal points, such as prices or percentages. These data types are essential for structuring and managing your data effectively, so it's crucial to understand how and when to use them. Calculating the unit price for an item is simple. The formula is amount divided by quantity. Next, let me show you how to calculate the unit price after applying a discount for multiple items. For this cash sale, the item's original unit price is 700 ringgit. With a 10% discount, the new unit price will become 630 ringgit. Now, let me show you how to show the unit price after the discount in the report. First, switch to the Document Detail tab and click on the calculator icon, placing it on the title header. Right-click and select Calculations to begin. To calculate the unit price after the discount, use the formula shown in the picture. Press Document Detail over here and drag the amount field into the calculation area, then add a / to represent a divide, followed by dragging out the quantity field. If you want to limit the number of decimal places for the unit price, you can use a rounding formula. Simply add simple round to X at the beginning, followed by an open bracket. Next, insert a comma here, then -2, and finally, close the bracket with a semicolon. The -2 specifies that the result should display 2 decimal places. If you need 3 decimal places, simply change it to -3. After entering the desired formula, right-click and select Compile to check for errors and ensure accuracy. After done, all press OK to save. Next, click on Variable 3 and align it to the right. Remember to change the variable type to double, then select the display format and choose the 2 decimal format. If you need 3 decimals, you can add a 0 at the end. Thus, when you preview the report, it will display the unit price after the discount, which in this case is 630 ringgit. Thanks for watching.